Hi, my name is R. Manisachari. In this video, I will explain the charts and graphs I have prepared from the Superstar dataset. Let's first see the what Superstar dataset actually looks like. This is Superstar dataset. This Superstar dataset has columns like row ID, order date, ship date, ship mode, customer ID, customer name, segment, country, city, state, postal code, region, product ID, category, subcategory, product name, sales, quantity, discount, and profit. I have finished the data pre-processing steps, cleaning, modification, whatever need. I have done all that steps and prepare prepare this charts and this visuals. So in this video, I'll explain 5 charts properly. First, the question is how is the total sales amount distributed among different product categories? So from the questions, we encode that we have to we have to go so that sales distribution among different product categories. Just I have chosen bar chart for this visual. Why bar chart? Because product category is category based. So bar chart is most suitable for categories data. And for x-axis, I have used product categories. Product categories includes furniture, office supplies, and technology. In this chart, fun this gray color is furniture, violet color is office supplies, and this color for technology, or orange color for technology. In y-axis, I have put total sales, which is in dollars. Each bar is leveled with the total sale amount for respective categories. This is 742K, 71, and this is 836K. Colors used is furniture for dark gray, office supplies for pink, technology orange color. So why this chart? Bar chart is effective for comparing total sales across multiple categories. To vertical bars visually show the difference in sales performance between categories, making it easy to see which category generates the most revenue. From this chart, I have found the insights that technology has the highest total sales with the approximately 836K dollar leading the sales distribution. Next, furniture follow the closely with 742K dollar. Next, office supplies record the lowest 719K. Then what we found that the distribution shows that while technology products perform best in sales, this difference between categories is not too large, indicating relatively balanced sales across the board. This insight can help in balancing inventory and promotional strategies to maintain a strong sales performance across all categories. Next, can we visualize the sales growth for different product categories over time? Just because it asks for over the different sales growth over time. So that's why I have used line chart here. So the chart type is line chart. Data, sales, just because it asks for sales growth. Data I have used sales trends over time in months. I have converted the sales data into months for different product categories. Different product categories are furniture, office supplies, and technology. Three categories. I have used different colors for these three categories. Darker shades represent higher sales, lighter shades represent lower sales. Okay. Levels I have used for only latest level, latest cell. Why this chart? A line chart is the best choice to show trends over time, just how I have explained before, making it easy to observe how sales in different categories change month by month. The growth steps. It helps in identifying both consistency growth, and fluctuations for each product category. What insights I have found from this chart is technology experienced the most significant sales fluctuations with a peak at around 131K in a month. The month, this is for month 11 for technology. Technology, this orange color. And furniture has steady sales growth, reaching a peak of 103K dollar around the end of the year. Furniture. This is furniture. 103 the end of the year. Consistently growth. And office supplies shows relatively stable growth throughout the year, but with fewer extreme highs or lows, reaching a maximum of 122 also in month 11. In next chart, this is what is the percentage contribution of each region to the overall sales. Just because of each region, there are only four regions: east, west, south, and central. That's why I have used bubble chart. Chart type, this is bubble chart. This is east 29.5%, central 21.8%, west 31.6%, south 17.1%. Each bubble represents the percentage of total sales that comes from each region. The size of the bubble corresponding to the percentage value. Color. I have used different sets of orange color for central to bright. This is put to dark like this, for darker to lighter. Why this chart? Why I have chosen this particular chart for this particular visual? A bubble chart is a good choice for visualizing percentage contribution across categories. It effectively shows the proportional size of each region's sales in comparison to others, giving an immediate visual sense of which region contributes the most of it. Findings. The West region contributes the largest share of the total sales, accounting for 31.6%. Central contributes to 21.8%, and the South region contributes the least with 17.1% only of the total sales. This breakdown highlights the importance of prioritizing marketing and operational efforts in the West and East. West and East region, while the Central and South regions may require additional focus to increase their sales. South and Central. As compared to the East and West, they have lesser sales. So they need to they need more attention in case of marketing and for increasing sales. My next chart is this is how has the average order quantity changed over the years for various product categories. Year 3, that average order quantity changed over the year for the product categories. So product category, different products. Just because it's asked what changed over the years, I have used line chart. So in this chart, I have used chart type is line chart, data, order year versus average order quantity, segmented by three categories. Product categories are furniture, office supplies, technology. Levels, the vertical axis represent the average order quantity, and this is order year 2014 to 2017. Color, for furniture I have used gray, for office supplies I have used purple, and for technology I have used orange. And levels, the more minimum and maximum. Why this chart? Why I have chosen to show the, the visual, the line chart. This line chart effectively showing trends over time. It clearly illustrates how the average order quantity changes year by year for each category, making it easy to identify patterns, shifts, consumer purchase behavior. Finding what insights I have found from this chart. Furniture. For furniture, declining trend from 2014 to 2017, the trend decreases. For office supplies, stable with slight growth, not too growth, not too low, slightly growth. For technology, initial dip in 2015 followed by consistent growth. For furniture technology, it down suddenly into next 2015, then it growth in the little by little slowly. This suggests furniture needs attention while technology shows growth potential. Technology have growth. So it okay. This is like what is the geographical distribution of returns and its impact on overall profitability. Okay, chart type I have just because it asks for geographical distribution, I have used map, and data is a count of returns by region, US states and Canadian provinces. Color, the darker the color, the higher number of returns. So this is darker the color. So this indicates higher returns. The map visualizes the geographical distribution of the return rates across different regions. It helps identify areas with higher return rates, allowing businesses to investigate potential causes and implement targeted solutions to improve customer satisfaction and reduce losses. What I have found from this um, map, California has the highest number of returns just because it shows like a darker color, indicated by the darker color. Western states, general states in the western region in US have a higher number of returns compared to the eastern states. Compared to the eastern, western states return the highest. And Canadian provinces generally have fewer returns compared to US states with some expenses like Ontario and Quebec. Improve supply chain. What we can do after finding these insights? Improve supply chain efficiently and inventory management to reduce shipping delays and stockouts. By this, we can increase our sales in these areas. Use data-driven insight to tailor marketing campaigns, product offering to specific region. This also helps to increase the number of number of sales. Implement rigorous quality control measures to minimize defective and damaged products. If we can control our quality of products, then the return will be lesser. That's all for this video. Thank you so much.